Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to add a sign-in message in Windows 10. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Click and expand HKey local machine. Click and expand software. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows. Click and expand current version. Click and expand policies. Click System. Right-click, New, String Value. Type Legal Notice Caption. Type your own text. Right-click, New, String Value. Type Legal Notice Text. Change value to any text. Close and exit registry. Start your computer. Sign-in message displayed. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.